Welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we're focusing on sugar prices, which saw moderate gains as the market reacted to rising crude oil prices and supply uncertainties. On September 12, the October raw sugar contract rose by 1.4%, closing at 18.73 cents per pound. This marks a recovery from an earlier low of 18.43 cents. On the other hand, London's October white sugar futures dropped by $10.50, settling at $529.10 per ton. The key driver behind this price movement is the rally in crude oil, which surged by over 2% due to potential production losses from Hurricane Francine. Rising oil prices tend to support the ethanol market, prompting sugar mills, especially in Brazil, to focus more on ethanol production rather than sugar. This shift reduces sugar supply, contributing to higher prices. Earlier this week, sugar prices had dipped to a 2-week low as crude oil reached its lowest point in 16 months. When oil prices weaken, ethanol production becomes less attractive, leading mills to increase sugar output, thereby boosting global supplies. Another factor adding uncertainty to the market is the upcoming expiration of the October sugar contract on September 30th. As index funds roll over their positions to March, the market dynamics are becoming more unpredictable. Additionally, improved sugar crop conditions in India, supported by stronger monsoon rains, have fueled bearish sentiments. According to S&P Global Commodity Insights, Brazil's sugar production during the second half of August is estimated at 3.26 million tons, marking a 6% decline compared to last year. However, forecasted rainfall in southern Brazil, as reported by Maxar Technologies, could benefit the country's sugarcane crops, potentially easing supply concerns. India's monsoon season has brought 8% more rainfall than average, which could result in a larger sugar crop and put downward pressure on global prices. Meanwhile, Brazil's sugar production in the center-south region has seen a 5.4% year-on-year increase, reaching 23.91 million metric tons by mid-August. Despite these factors, Bank of America analysts suggest that sugar prices may remain supported due to unexpected production challenges in Brazil, including droughts and fires that have affected around 80,000 hectares of sugarcane fields, potentially reducing output by up to 5 million metric tons. In addition, India's potential extension of its sugar export ban could further tighten global sugar supplies. That's the latest update on the sugar market. Stay tuned to Ajay Astro Money Guru for more advanced analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest insights.